This Brinell Hardness number interactive calculator solves a critical engineering challenge, determining material hardness properties without manual calculations. Whether you're verifying incoming material specifications or selecting components for mechanical design, this tool streamlines the entire Brinell hardness testing process. Let's explore the calculator's capabilities. First, you'll see the Select Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 powerful options. Calculate BHN from indentation diameter, calculate required indentation diameter, calculate required test load, calculate indentation depth, calculate indentation surface area, and estimate tensile strength from BHN. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate BHN from indentation diameter, the most common testing scenario. The input fields are straightforward. Applied load F accepts values in kilogram force. Standard loads include 3000, 1500, or 500 kVf. Ball diameter D is your indenter size in millimeters, typically 10, 5, or 2.5 mm. Indentation diameter D is the measured impression in millimeters. You'll also notice target BHN and indentation depth fields, which activate for different calculation modes. Here's a practical example. Testing a steel component, I'll enter 3000 for applied load, 10 for ball diameter, and after measuring with my optical microscope, 3.85 for indentation diameter. On clicking Calculate instantly returns a Brinell hardness number of approximately 229, plus the indentation depth, surface area, and crucially, the DD ratio and test validity check. These outputs directly inform your engineering decisions. The BHN correlates to material strength, the DD ratio confirms test validity per ASTM standards, and the estimated tensile strength provides quick material property approximations. Remember, always verify your DD ratio falls between 0.24 and 0.6 for valid results. Find the link in the description below.